Let me begin by briefly introducing myself. My name is Gary Ockey, and I'm a professor at Iowa State University. I first began teaching English when I was in my early 20s. I was teaching English in Taiwan, and I taught there for a few years. And I became very interested in especially listening and speaking, but I'll talk about listening today. And then I worked at the Educational Testing Service for a number of years, and there I worked on the TOEFL Test of English as a Foreign Language listening test. And I'll talk just a little bit about that as I move on. And the other thing that I'm doing right now that is related to listening is I'm co-authoring a book on the assessment of listening. And in this book, we talk about what is listening ability. Should it include visual information, for example? Should it include the ability to accommodate to a variety of accents? And should listening be taught with only authentic material? And I'm going to talk a little bit about each of these aspects as I answer some of the other questions that I'll be asked. So that gives you a little bit of an idea of my background.